Hi, I would like to welcome you all to an interesting video by Excel Tutor about the sum function in Excel. The sum function in Excel adds numbers together in a more efficient way. However, the syntax for the sum function can vary depending on how your data is arranged in your workbook. Let's see this with examples. Firstly, if your numbers are ordered not next to each other or in non-contiguous cells, as stated in example 1, where group-wise orders are entered in cells I9, K9, M9, and O9. To get the sum of these values, just enter sum and open a bracket in cell I12. Then select I9 and add a comma, then select the other three numbers as well with separate commas, and close the bracket and press enter. Here is the sum of these non-contiguous cells. Then secondly, to get the sum of the values where data has been ordered next to each other, or in contiguous cells, either column or row-wise, like in example 2, type sum and press the tab key, and select the range or cells with target values you need to sum. Then close the brackets and enter. Here is the sum. Do the same for the column-wise values as well. Thirdly, where you need to get the grand total of multiple ranges of values, with the sum function as required in example 3, enter the equal sum as previous and select the first range of cells, then add a comma, then select the second range of cells, and add the third range of cells, followed by a comma, then close the brackets and press enter. Finally, to get the sum of the range of cells, you can use the auto sum option in Excel as well. Go to the cell where you need the sum to appear, click the sigma sign in the editing group of the Home tab, and press enter. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut keys Alt and equal together. In addition, you can get the sum from defined ranges as well. To do that, define the range of cells first. Selecting the range of values, go to the Formulas tab and click the Define Name. Now give a name for the range. I will give it sales and click OK. Then, as before, enter the sum function and press the tab key. Now type the defined name of the range sales instead of selecting the range, and press enter, closing the bracket. That's it. These are the ways in which you can use the sum function in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment on this video and hit like as well. For more updates, please subscribe to us and share this video with your friends. We will meet again with another interesting video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.